हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। तो आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं एनालॉग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स 1 में हमारा अगला टॉपिक दैट इज कॉमन कलेक्टर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ अ ट्रांजिस्टर। सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट इस पर्टिकुलर डायग्राम में हमारा जो कलेक्टर है दैट इज कॉमन टू द एमिटर एंड बेस। Here VBB and VEE are the biasing potentials and IB, IC and IE are the base collector and emitter currents. तो अगर इसको हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करें इन अ ट्रांजिस्टर फॉर्म तो उसका डायग्राम कुछ ऐसा होगा where IB is the input current, IE is the output current, VBC is the input voltage and VCE is the output voltage where VCE is equal to VBE plus VBC. And अगर हमें इसके इनपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मार्क करने हो so we will have to plot a graph between IE versus VC for various values of IB. अब यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग एक एनालिसिस करें so we know that IC is equal to alpha times IE and we know that alpha varies from the range of 0.95 to 0.98 which is approximately 1. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे कह सकते हैं that IC is approximately equal to IE and अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे IE को IC से replace कर दें so here we can see that this will resemble the output characteristics of common emitter. So here we can say that output characteristics of common emitter is almost equal to output characteristics of common collector. And the common collector configuration is used for impedance matching because of high input impedance and low output impedance. अब यहीं पे अगर हमें current amplification factor which is represented by gamma निकालना हो, so for that we have a formula which is delta IE by delta IB. Now these two equations ये दोनों हम लोग बहुत पहली वीडियो से पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं. So we know that IE is equal to IC plus IB and IC is equal to alpha times IE plus ICBO where ICBO is the reverse saturation current. अब अगर हम लोग IC की वैल्यू फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में पुट कर दें so we will have our equation as IE is equal to alpha times IE plus ICBO plus IB. अगर हम लोग IE और IE टर्म्स को एक जगह पे ले आए so we will have our equation as 1 minus alpha times IE is equal to IB plus ICBO. Now we can divide both sides by 1 minus alpha. So we will have the equation as IE is equal to 1 by 1 minus alpha times IB plus 1 by 1 minus alpha times ICBO. Now we can call these terms as gamma. So we will have our final equation in terms of gamma as IE is equal to gamma times IB plus gamma times ICBO. So that was all for this video and I will see you in the next one.